Hi everyone, my name is Pubudu Deepamal and today I'll be presenting my research titled Large Language Model Based Fake News Detection in Text. This research is conducted as a part of my postgraduate study at the University of Southern Queensland under Professor Xiao Tao and Dr. Dotago Kai. Through this presentation, I will explain why the fake news is a serious problem in the today's world and discuss how large language model can help detect it and introduce my proposed solution. Here is plan for today's presentation. Introduction to fake news. Fake news has become a global issue in the last decade. It affects social, political, economic and even environmental decision making because people spend more time on social media in the modern world. So false information is spread very quickly. Therefore, detecting fake news before they reach in the public is extremely important. Problem background. When it's come to the problem background, existing fake news detection system face a lot of key limitations. There are dataset dependence, limit of model adaptability to new situation. Fake news creators use a lot of new method to create fake news. For example, sometimes some fake news creators use several writing styles. So definitely adaptability is a very important thing. Poor contextual understanding. So it's the same situation, same thing. I discussed the first point. So some fake news creators use correct news and fake news both are combined and create a fake news. So that kind of situation definitely need to very good contextual understanding. Third thing is lack of reasoning ability to prevent deeper insight into the content, and fourth thing is limited generalization affect performance across the diverse dataset and context. Problem statement. In this slide, I mainly focus what kind of problem has a current fake news detection systems. Those are the main problem I identify current fake news detection system has. So a lot of fake news detection system use the outdated data so that it is directly effective to reduce their accuracy, and some fake news detection system is work into BS, and they are not given any explanation about their last output, so that kind of result people can't trust. And last thing is that lot of fake news detection system you on support to so only one language. Most fake news detection system support to English language. So in the modern world I can see fake news people spread the multi languages. So I think this is the main problem in current fake news detection system has. Research aim overview. Build a hybrid system combination of machine learning and large language model. So in this system I use three models. First thing is the machine learning, second thing is the GPT nano, and third thing is llama. So actually I already mentioned I use three models. So because I use three models for increase the accuracy, so according to me in that moment GPT Nano have a more accuracy more than the other two models. And important thing is that this proposed system is given explanation about the last output. I think it's a very important thing because someone need to trust what's the reason. This is true, this is a false. So for that he or she can use this explain conclusion. And last thing is do you know in the modern world fake news detects in the every language in the world, but according to my research in that moment have some fake news classification method, but they are only support for the English. But my proposed system support multi-language. I think this is the main and very important thing it has in my proposed system. Research objective. Moving on to the research objective of this study. These objectives define the key goals we aim to achieve through this research and guide the direction of our investigation. So, a summary of this research objective is develop to high accuracy fake news detection system using the large language model, and develop to browser extension, because in this project, according to the me, browser extension is a very important part. Large language model approach. Large language model offer a modern approach to understanding and analyze human language. Unlike traditional model, they learn from massive dataset and can recognize pattern and meaning more accurately. First thing is a contextual ability. Large language model doesn't just read the word, they understand context. They help them to identify hidden things and detect misleading information more efficiently. Second thing is a transfer learning. With transfer learning, we receive an already traditional large language model and fine-tune it for fake news detection. This is save time, reduce cost, and improve performance. Multi-language capacity. So large language model can work across the multiple language, making the system usable by different region, cultural, without building a new model for each language. And last thing is a generalization. Large language model can handle a new and unseen type of fake news. They don't just memorize, they adapt, making them efficiency even as a fake news strategies evolve. Now let's look at the research gap and detection that this study aimed to address. While there has been significant progress in detection technologies, several limitations still exist. So first thing is no hybrid system to current existing fake news detection, and long text analysis remain not accurate. Third thing is lack of integrated browser extension limits to user accessibility. Fourth thing is limited multi-language detection restriction. And last thing is explained in the current system are lack and no transparency for users. System overview. This is a system diagram and this is the process. This system begins with the user input, which can be entered either through the browser interface or browser extension. Once the text is submitted, the system applies prompt engineering to communicate efficiency with the large language model. The model then performs multi-level risk analysis, examining the content from different angles such as credibility, consistency, and reliability. The results are displayed using a color code risk indicator mistake, making it easy to user to understand if the news is real or fake. This process enables to fast and validate fake news detection, provide both a clear variety and useful for users. Dataset overview. For this system, I evaluated three key datasets. First is a Gossip Cop. Gossip Cop contains celebrity-related news and helps to identify fake stories, focus on entertainment and public figures. Polite Fact. Polite Fact provides political news statement, which is the essential because political is a major area where misinformation is spread. Finally, Fake News Net. It is a combined both Gossip Cop and Polite Fact dataset, allowing the model to learn from a wider, a more diverse set of fake news, real news examples. Using three datasets ensure the system can detect misinformation across different domains. Machine learning model overview. This diagram shows how my machine learning model works. So TFN ID helps to text representative by identify the key term and efficiently, and logistic recognition is simply classify for that is interpret and effective. And last thing is this model is a very fast and suitable for fake news detection. Because I told this a fast because this is we have own data set, and some in my system someone use my llama or gpt nano, my own machine learning dataset automatically update. Is the very important thing because 100 people use 100 article for find the fake news tutorial. So my own machine learning dataset is increased 100 times. Evaluation results. This slide shows the evaluation results of my fake news detection model. On the left, the confusion matrix indicate the most predicted are correct, with very few misclassified samples demonstrating strong accuracy. In the middle, the performance summary highlight key metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 source. All these values are consistently high, meaning the model not only detect fake news correctly but also avoid unnecessary false alarms. On the right, the recall curve shows the model ability to capture fake news instant, the correct remaining close to the top. Overall, these results show that the model is high reliable and performs well across the all evaluation metrics. Project demonstration. Welcome to my project demonstration. This is my proposed fake news detection system powered by large language model. The purpose of this system is to analyze a piece of news text and determine whether it's a real or fake, and to provide the explanation of the conclusion. In this demonstration, I will walk you through how the system works and show the some sample results. I'm going to demonstrate new detection.cloud fake news detection system. This system uses large language model to classify whether a news article is real or fake and provides an explanation for transparency. Let's begin the demo. This is the home page of new detection.cloud. This interface is very simple and user friendly. At the top you can see navigation menu and below the brief introduction of this tool. So now let me show how the fake news detector works. Here we can paste any news headlines or article. So now I will do it. First I will copy this news article. And I paste. Once I paste the news article, I will choose which detection method I will use. So you can see 3 detection method: local machine learning model, GPT, and llama. In that moment, GPT for have high accuracy compared with other than, because local machine learning model is developed by myself. In this local machine learning model don't have very big data set in that moment. Another thing is I am using the free llama services, so it's the other reason GPT have a more accuracy compared with llama. So after you can first I will select the GPT and I will click the analyze content button. So you can see this Twitter link. So in this project the user doesn't need to copy and paste the content. He or she can copy the link of this website or social media page or article and paste. So it's enough. So you can see the output. The output is displayed here. The system predict whether the article is real or fake and also provide confidence source that help user understand how sure the model is about the prediction. So do you want more details? User can click the download details PDF button, and he or she now you can see the details PDF button. So in this PDF, explanation about the news sentence by sentence. So is the more important thing. And so someone need to identify the fake news detection. Copy or paste news text or news link is not a practical, it's not an easy thing in this world, because in the modern world lot of fake news spread on through the social media. So I thought need to develop an extension for that. So this is my browser extension. So you can download, click this download extension button and download the extension. So this is the actually I already set up my extension. So now I will show how to work my extension. So this is the paper article I will use previously. So this is my fake news detection article. So this extension is work same method work in my web application. User can paste the content and click the analyze button. So you can see this make the same results, and this is the download PDF button, and some user can click this PDF button and download the brief explanation about the output. So I already mentioned, so a lot of fake news are spread in the moment through the social media, and so my browser extension is perfectly the all social media like Facebook, Thread, X, and everything. So you can see this is the Twitter post published by Elon Musk, and my extension and my system is working there, and it show that this is how much is true. And you can see open full panel, and you can see the everything. Why I said this is 16% is 60% true, and given about the explanation and all factors, same like a Facebook. So this is a Facebook art post published by the Elon Musk. So according to this published by the technology innovation. So according to my system, this is 72%, have possibility to 72% this is a fake, and this my system is analyze the every comment put this post and show why, what are the reason is these comments are true or false, and show this why this comment is show the why this comment is true or false and these factors. So you can click this button, and this is show why this article is false. So another important thing is that my project is support more than one languages. So according to these two pages, you can show this proof this is perfectly work the English language, and this is the Chinese paper, Chinese Twitter. So according to my system, this article have possibility 68% possibility to have this article is false. So this is my web application demonstration. So according to the overall, this my web application is support more than one languages and more than one platform. So this extension is someone can use every website in the world, but in this moment I will fix it to its work to the Twitter, X, and Threads. But this web application can use the every web application websites in the world. References. These references support to the literature and theory discussed in the presentation, and they include surveys, foundational papers, and recent work related to fake news detection and explainability. Thank you for your attention.